Okay, we are here. Sali pa dito daw, wala na, vlog na yun.
Way, and then the lion's paw will be on the right side. So for the safety reminders po, please do not extend your hands po towards the animal enclosure. And then also po, kindly turn off your camera flash while taking pictures inside. And then also po, medyo basa po yung ating pathway. So please watch your steps po, everyone. Okay, so for placard number 20, let's proceed na po. Female lion or the lioness. So, si Mayumi po, approximately mga nasa 6 years old na po siya. And then, nandito naman po sa number 2, we have Coco, our male lion po. Sige po, forward po sila for you to see our lions here. So, for Coco po, male lion po siya. Meaning kasi po yung mga male lion, sila po yung may mane po sa kanilang head po going sa kanilang katawan. Mostly po hanggang neck lang po siya. So that is to distinguish po the difference between the male lion and the female lion. Okay, and then nandito naman po sa number 4, we have Anne. So Anne po is another female lion or the lioness. So for the lioness po, in the wild, they are the one po who hunt their food. Meanwhile po yung mga lalaki po or the male lions po ang nagbabantay po ng kanilang territory. Sige po, let's proceed. And then what you are seeing po, that is the horn po ng ating mga lions or the roar po. Saan ang nagaling po kay Kashmira? Okay? Tayo rin po, Kashmira po is the oldest lion po natin dito. So, today sa tayo. Okay, so again po, Kashmira is our oldest. So, sa ngayon po, nasa 15 years old na po si Kashmira. And then, ang mga lions po natin, they can live po for about 15 years po to 20 years po. And then, yung nandito po sa number 9, we have Nima. So, si Nima po is our liger. So, liger po, anak na po sila ng male lion and female tiger po. So, as of now po, pagkasama po sila, they are also the biggest po among the family of the big cats. Kaya po, as we can notice, meron po sila stripes po ng tiger and then color po ng lion. So, careful lang po tayo sa side po na ito, bababa po. Okay, and then on this enclosure naman po, we have Drew. So, si Drew po is our Siberian tiger na po. So, for the Siberian tiger, they are the biggest po among the family or the species of the tigers. So, si Drew po, mga approximately nasa mga 1 years old na po siya and 7 months. Later po, at the Tiger Safari Ride, you are going to see po our fully grown tigers naman po. Okay, and then on this last enclosure, we have our tiger cubs. So, for the tiger cubs naman po, we have here Paul. At naman po si Kuman naman po. Sila naman po, Bengal tiger naman po sila. So, yung mga Bengal tiger po, medyo mas maliliit po kumpara po sa mga Siberian tigers po natin. Okay, so once again, everybody, please watch your steps po. So, after this one po, we are going back to the tram, going to the Tiger Safari Ride.